pensé que se iba por. Yeah, so I don't know where it left off, but yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. We're gonna finish the computer tomorrow, that's what he said, depending on how I get out of work, and we'll try to negotiate, because one of the things I forgot to buy per se was a monitor, and he has a fuckload of monitors and he wants to get new ones, so maybe I can buy that Asus monitor right here from it, because also right, it's not worth having the best graphics card you could possibly find with a budget and then having a crappy monitor like that Dell one over there. Yeah, not worth it. So I should have a really badass monitor, or not, I'll just hook it up to my 55-inch screen TV. Yeah, we want to go to sleep. You guys are making us talk a lot.
No, you're making yourself talk a lot.
It's my brain. Anyways, we're gonna go to bed. We'll record more tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have a different wardrobe. Yeah, you'll notice. So
Wow.
Peace, and it is official time. Official time. Official time. Give me official time.
Official. Let's get to bedtime.
Yeah. 1:43. So 1:43 a.m. we finished for today. Tomorrow we'll start at 1:45 p.m.